Ratoncitos, ¿cómo estáis? ¡Bien! A ver qué os oiga. ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Bien? Me alegro un montón. Bienvenidos a un nuevo cuento del canal Cuentos para Soñar Bonito. Mi nombre es Marta y hoy os voy a leer el cuento de Pete the Cat and his four grubby buttons. ¿Sabéis que este cuento está en inglés y tiene una canción muy divertida? Está escrito por Eric Litwin y es de la editorial Harper. Aunque esté en inglés, os lo recomiendo porque se aprende un montón. Vamos a conocer a Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with four big, colorful, round and grubby buttons. He loved his buttons so much and he sang this song. My bottoms, my four grubby bottoms. My bottoms, my four grubby bottoms. Oh no! Look, one of the bottoms popped off and rolled away. How many bottoms are left? 3! Good job, because 4 minus 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Bottoms come and bottoms go. He kept on singing his song. My bottoms, my 3 grubby bottoms. My bottoms, my 3 grubby bottoms. Oh no! Another bottom popped off and rolled away. Oh no! How many bottoms are left? 2! Good job, because 3 minus 1 equals 2. And did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Bottoms come and bottoms go. He kept on singing his song. My bottoms, my 2 grubby bottoms. My bottoms, my 2 grubby bottoms. Oh no! Another bottom popped off and rolled away. How many bottoms are left? Just 1. Good job, because 2 minus 1 equals 1. And did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Bottoms come and bottoms go. He kept on singing his song. My bottom, my 1 grubby bottom. My bottom, my 1 grubby bottom. No! Again! The last bottom popped off and rolled away. How many bottoms are left? 0, because 1 minus 1 equals 0. And did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Bottoms come and bottoms go. Pete looked down at his bottomless shirt. And what do you think he saw? What do you think? His belly button! Good job! Look! And he kept on singing his song. My bottom, still have my belly button. My bottom, still have my belly button. Wow! I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff we'll go. But do we cry? Goodness, no! We keep on singing the song. Bottoms come and bottoms go. Y este cuento se lo llevó el viento. Y cuando me lo vuelva a traer, te lo volveré a leer. Espero que hayáis disfrutado con este cuento tan sencillo sobre Pete the Cat, que aprende a restar y que no se preocupa por perder sus botones, ¿verdad? Porque las cosas materiales no tienen mucho valor. Un beso muy fuerte para todos. ¡Mua! Nos vemos en otro cuento. Adiós.